Hi everyone, welcome back to Eddy's Kitchen. This is part 2 of the sushi series. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a maki roll. Let's get started. To make a sushi, first thing you need is nice sharp knife. The professional sushi chef will use Japanese style knife like this, but you don't need. Today I'm gonna show you use the kitchen knife. Just make sure your knife sharp enough. Then next key ingredient is the sushi nori. Okay, the sushi nori normally come with 2 different packs. There is the 10 sheet and this is the 50 sheet. What I normally recommend if you cooking at home, you just going to buy the small pack like this 10 sheet, because if you don't finish it, then the moisture will make the sushi nori getting bad. Then you need a sushi rice. If you want to know how to make a sushi rice, then check our first part of the sushi series, how to prepare sushi rice. Then rest of the ingredient, pretty much you can use a lot of different variety of the ingredient, from veg, seafood, even modern Japanese sushi, they started using the beef. The first maki I'm going to show you is veg maki. Okay, let's prepare the cucumber first. Okay, just chop the head off. This head off you can use for garnish. I'm gonna show you later. If you don't know how big a size you will need it, you can just grab one of the nori seaweed. And this nori seaweed is what I cut in half. Okay, let me show you how to prepare it. This is the whole sheet. Okay, all you need just bending into the half. Okay, like this, like it now. Then use your knife, cutting in half. Okay, like this. Okay, if you don't know how long you should cut, you can grab your one piece of a sushi nori, then measuring with that. Okay, in here. That is good. Next, we're going to do just cut into straight into the half. Open up. Okay, inside this seed is very watery, which is no good when we're making the sushi. We have to take this out. Okay, what I normally do, just cut in half again and turn it upside down. Okay, you can see the seed, then just cut all the way out. That. Okay, we don't need to use, but you can use for juice or salad. Even you can crunchy straight away like this, bite. Nice. Okay, and too much watery is not good for making sushi. Okay, like this, and you want to cut, remember about the 1 centimeter wide stick. All right, now we are ready to making the maki. Now you need a bamboo mat. Okay, if you got a bamboo mat like my one, you can see the shiny side and the rough side. Okay, if you got this, always the shiny side on top, then grab your nori seaweed. And the nori seaweed, if you watch carefully, they also got 2 sides different. One side is quite shiny, smooth. One side is very rough. Okay, always rough side on the top. The rough side is the rice side. Okay, here you go. Okay, now to grab our sushi rice, you make sure your hand is getting wet. So prepare yourself a cold water like this, just little dip. Then use your both hand must be wet. All right, like this. Otherwise, the sushi rice won't be sticky. Okay, if your hand is dry, then rice gonna be sticky. Let me show you. Let me dry out my hand first. Okay, if that is your hand getting dry, then you can stick it everywhere. Okay, now let's wet our hand, then start to grab. Okay, a tiny bowl. Okay, this is about 3 tablespoons. Okay, the size. Okay, now let's pressing our nori sheet like this. Okay, just first pressing in a long line, then we start to open up our rice. Okay, you want to kind use your finger. Okay, if you start feeling your finger start sticking the sushi rice, okay, then keep wet like this. Okay, just always keep a weight. Then we started pushing, okay, like this. Okay, just gently. Okay, try to make equally. Okay, try to make equal thickness, like this. And now, the tip is, if the first time you're doing the sushi, you can't do it perfectly, no problem at all. Let me show you like this. Okay, some is not equal. Don't worry, you just use your finger, grab some rice, just filling up the gap. Okay. Okay, now our cucumber, get our cucumber ready. You don't want to put too much filling. You don't want to put too much filling inside. Otherwise, it can be close together. All right, now we can start rolling our maki. Okay, what you need to do is holding your ingredient, use your finger. All right, like this, then grab up with the bamboo mash, and this finger holding tight all over, cover it. All right, like this. You see? Now, hold your bamboo mash, then form up a little bit, like this. Tight up a little bit. Okay, like that. Okay, then in this gap, you can dip a little bit of water. Okay, like this. Then open up your bamboo mash, keep rolling to front. Then let's join up. Okay, then you can just tight one more time. Then press it down. Okay. Technique is like that. Holding tight both sides and push down from top side like this. Okay, tight up. Then it's opened up. Okay, as you can see in this stage, this is little bit of sushi rice over both sides. So you want to make it look nice. Use your bamboo mash. Okay, just right in the edge. Then don't forget, weight your finger, then push back a little bit, like this. Okay, then same slowly, other side as well. Just close up, and weight your finger, push back. Okay, your rice a little bit, like this. Okay, okay, that's good. Now we're ready to cut. Okay, let me show you. Okay, now get the knife ready, and what you need to do is, the knife, if you cut straight, we're easy to stick our rice. Okay, because sushi rice obviously stick. So what you need, right? Dip your knife, and drop. Okay, your knife like this. All right, then we're ready to cut. Okay, first we cut it into from middle. Okay, then just all the way down. We cut it into 6 pieces. Okay, in that about a bite size, like this. Okay, that. Okay. Okay, now it's ready to plating. There you go. Okay, now we just grab our sushi maki together like that. Okay, that is the Maki sushi. It's very simple to make at home. You can try it. So this is the part 2 of the sushi series, how to make maki roll. Please check our part 3. I'm going to show you how to make a California roll. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. See you next time on Eddy's Kitchen.